Hello,
Good evening.
good evening.
¿Qué pasa?
Nada mucho, como dice tú.
Okay, bueno.
All right, folks, today, mixed bag, tons of volatility, 4.53%. Dow Jones was 200 points down, more than 200 points down. NASDAQ really didn't do that much. S&P 500 didn't move that much. If you can see this, it was sort of flat. And NASDAQ moved close to 0.60%. For tomorrow, Tuesday, things are looking flattish negative. I guess the Dow Jones will continue to go down. But it's too soon to tell. We shall see. Tomorrow's another day, another dollar. All right. We're gonna make this quick. The winner of the day is NVDA. No surprise. The chips here are the winners. You can tell because the top three were in the chip sectors. ASML is on hard buy. Excuse me. And basically, if you were in this since the beginning of the day or Friday, you would have done well. Boom, boom. Let's see, even ME went up 3%. Time up 3%. Open. One second. Um,
Is someone watching the Wego?
I don't know.
Okay, you should tell some people. They should be.
Okay. It looks like open is in a buying zone here. It's at a area of support / resistance / breakdown. So if you think things are going to go up in the summer, this is the time to buy. And if you think things are going to crash and burn in the summer, this is time for you to go down. But, usually things are picking up in the summer, maybe a few houses. So, you can expect them maybe to go back up here. It's still at a downtrend, so this could be the turning point. Let's see.
Maybe someone could explain their new chart. It seems like it's gotten more colorful now with more lines.
Oh, yes, I have, this is at the daily. I have more trend lines. I have 20, 40, 100, and 200. Okay, let me see.
So you don't do the 50 anymore?
The what?
The 50.
The 50's there. Let's see. Oh, is it?
I thought you said 2040.
Yeah, 20, 40, 20, 40, 100, and 200.
So you don't do the 50 anymore.
Yeah, at least for now.
Okay.
Let me see. XOM up 1.115%. Let's take a look at that one. So on a daily, it's in a downward channel at the moment. Downward channel. And it looked like it picked up today. So it liked this area of support here. It had a green candle today. Perfect. So overall today, Yeah, it was green all day. From the open to the close. So it could start pivoting based on this. Because it looks like here is at a good level of support. Okay. Intel. Somebody was in this. It looked like it spiked up a little bit, but the doji itself was kind of not convincingly, Anna. But it's trending up a little bit 2 days in a row.
I don't want to marry it. Just a few days.
Yeah, so it went up and then it went down and then it went back up. Freshly Pet Pack. Somebody got rid of this. Let's look at Google. Okay, so Google looks like it's in a high zone over here. Getting close to the 40 period. It could potentially be a good buying zone here in the 40 period because you can see here anytime it gets near it, it goes back up. So for today, it went up half of the day, the rest of the day went down, and then at the end of the day, it picked back up. That's Google. Okay. Amazon. It's still in a downward channel, but it looks like it's about to break it. If it breaks this level, if it goes above 182.30, it's going to be a long. So you can put this on the notes. If once it breaks 182.30, if it does that tomorrow, it's a long. But if it doesn't break this, it's going to be a short. Because it's still at a downward channel. Let's look at Netflix. It's still going up. It's high up in the sky. Is this all-time highs? No. Okay. So it broke this area, obviously. The next area that it could get to is this 673. That's an area of resistance. So it has 23 more dollars to go. And so far, it's getting there. It already broke this area. Inching upward every day. Okay, so that's that. Those are the winners. Let's look at the losers. DraftKings. Miss Green, your DraftKings. Look at this. What happened today? What the heck happened? It just went cuckoo nuts today.
Honestly, Elisa, if you would remind
Oh, because of the basketball game?
Elisa, if you would just remind me at the end of football season, just to put a put or a short on DraftKings. It's a cycle stock. And I keep forgetting, but it basically we can go to the mid week in February. It seemed like it went up a little bit more into March, and then that was it. It's gonna come down, and this is not surprising. Um,
But it's at a good buying point.
well,
Also,
let's
this is a
go.
base.
Let's shrink it up a little bit more.
It's at a base.
I like this. What is this area? This 3250.
3671.
You have 30 and 3250.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I like 30 and 3250 areas. And that's where I would look to buy it again. Probably if it touches down to 30, I'd probably start averaging in.
I say, watch this for tomorrow. Put this on the notes. It could continue to go down here, but it could,
Yeah, this is a stock that I would buy.
but it could pick up for the basketball gift. Juego.
No, basketball's over.
It's not
Buy
over.
it.
We still have the finals.
It's gonna come down. Buy it start buying at 30 and let it come up throughout the fall and into the new year. We need to put that on our chart. But I think this will continue to go down. It may pop up, but
Man,
what are we looking at?
look at American.
What happened? Oh yeah. Well, what do you expect?
Okay, so now
What's DraftKings?
DK and G.
Okay.
This thing is gonna continue. It's at a downward channel.
What is this purple line here?
It's 1260.
Yes.
Yes.
What is this purple diagonal line?
It's an area of diagonally the resistance. So basically this up here.
Oh, yes. Okay.
1541. If it breaks that, it will continue to go up.
So now you're using these things. Okay.
Yeah, we can use both.
All right.
This basically is this area right here, where if it breaks this area, it's a go. Around 1530. Okay, so now, this level over here, our famous 13 is a good buying zone. So just wait. Sorry. Yeah, around, but it's below that. It's already at 1260 right now. That. Is that the price? 1260, Liana. So that means it's gonna go to Gutterland right here. $11. I mean, actually the closest will be, yeah, it already surpassed this. So the next line is over here. $12 or 11. Just wait for it and get the best price, yeah. So we can get you a hat, yes.
An old friend just called.
You
I
can get a hat anywhere. Dile a tu papá que te busque una hat. Okay, so that's that.
Miss Munoz, an old friend just called me that I'm gonna catch up with tomorrow, hopefully. I won't say the person's name because I don't want to put the person out there, but you know the person. MW.
I'll call me later. I can't think of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Carvana, for people who like Carvana, it's continuing going down, and it's going to continue. So if people would have held it, they would have still been Rico, few shares. It went even worse, worse than Friday. Miss Green. No commentary.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Carvana went even worse today than Friday.
No commentary.
And look at Wayfair.
Yeah,
Biz
it's
notches. Okay. Let's look at Tesla.
gap, Phil.
BI.
Yeah, I'll be all right.
And then that's it. Tesla is going back to this line here. Every time it keeps getting up here, like I had said, it keeps rejecting it. And so it's between here and here, but now it's between here and here. Will it continue to go down? I think so. The trend is saying bye-bye. Unless it breaks this 186 area, then you can say, yes, it's going to go back up. But otherwise, if it keeps rejecting the up here, it's going to keep going to the bottom.
Why do you have 186 area? Where are you saying 186?
Sorry, 180, yeah, around this candle right here.
Oh, okay.
186, 180.
Okay, yep. No, that's it. I just wanted to make sure that was okay.
Other than that, and just short the pops, or anytime it hits this level down here, then go long. But you can see even with this big
Make
candle.
sure you educate me when I talk about getting into Tesla.
Yes, ma'am. And expect this to continue to go down, guys. Just short the pops. And EBC, let's take a look at that. Now it's in a downward channel. Let's see if it goes back down to this 12 area. That's where you want to get it at, or that's where you want to get it at.
Can we show a grande so I can see your little trend chart? You don't have your trend chart on here.
I know, because I haven't.
It seemed like it broke the area here, so it seemed like it may be going up.
Where? This is the last candle.
No, but I mean, it broke it previously. Your diagonal line that you always draw, you don't have on this one.
Oh, like if it broke it here.
Yeah, it seemed like it broke it.
That was before, yes, here it did, but now it
Yeah.
started to go back down.
So you don't think it's coming up?
Let's look at it on a. No, it's still going down.
Okay.
It's still going down. Let's look at Bank of America. Bank of America is the opposite. It's at a upward
But
trend.
usually when in doubt, you zoom out, not zoom in.
Yes, but I was looking at it both
We're
ways.
looking at it daily, and then to clarify, you looked at it as a 60-minute.
Let's see. So let's look at it again. So this is the zoom out.
Yeah, it looks like it's going up.
I don't see it.
Okay, one mountain going down, second mountain going down, the first mountain going down mid-August. The second mid-August.
From this one, you're saying like this mountain.
No, go back. August of last year. And the first mountain going down, go down, keep going, hits a wall, then it comes back up. Then we have the second mountain going down, boom, boom.
Oh, I see it from this way, yeah.
It hits a wall, and it looks like we're starting again.
This one, you're starting again here.
No, well, that's the bottom of the first one. The second one just started, it's on the right side of that, the new one that just broke through. All I'm saying, to me, it looks like it may be going up.
I'm not sure. It looks,
Alright, keep
at
it
least
going.
at least for the time frame, it's going down. But and Bank of America is going up. So yeah, that's a good reference. If the bancos are going, Bank of America is going up, most likely this one will probably go up too. Okay, so that's that. Top 5 top losers, but we'll look at Mansana. Didn't really move today much, just 0.09%. It's hovering around here. It came back from this point. If you would have gotten here, like we had said, you would have been Rico. So it's gonna hover around here because it likes this area. It'll probably go down and stay around here for a minute before it decides to go back up and surpass these 2 levels. So just try to get the low of these areas here. So you can see here, it went down here, but then it picked back up. But today was weak. Today, even Meta was weak. Meta seems like it's still in a rut. Let's see if it breaks this for is 478.80 area tomorrow. If it does, then it will go up from here back to its all-time highs, but it's still kind of in a rut. Amazon is going down unless it breaks. Let's see. It's still going down. It needs to break this area, this above 181 area for it to go back up. But right now, it's its downward slide. That's it. Let's see. Oh, our softy. So softy did it didn't do as well as the others, even though it had a green candle. Softy. So is it all-time highs? Yes. The trend is still going up now. Even though it had a hanger here, the trend is still going up. Yep, there's softy for you. Let's look at, did we look at NVDA? Yes, we did, because it was the winner of the day. Okay, that's all I have. I wanted to make it short and sweet. Any comments? Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we will give you more info in the next upcoming days. It's a short week. Everybody's on vacay. Some people already out of school, but keep it real, guys. Keep it going. And remember, if you have some positions that are very, very negative, just get out and don't increase your margins, and make sure you keep it real. Have a good one. Peace out.